you're on GoPro now, so explain what's happening. What is happening?
We're figuring out where we're gonna hide.
So they're gonna come down. They're gonna come down here. Jared's gonna text us when he's at the top of the stairs, which is gonna take him less than a minute, probably. So that's when you ladies hide behind there.
Are we hiding?
Yeah.
Like behind the banister kind
Yeah, just so she doesn't see you.
of. The banister, actually.
Yeah.
That's great.
Flowers here. So this marks the spot of the proposal. And you know, we're at Bethesda Terrace. Look who decided to join. Greg shows up. He's our security guard. Yay. And Stephanie's mom, Lisa, decided to pay the lovely gentleman over here to perform a song. We're hoping this works out, guys. Yeah, I'm so excited. We're waiting on a text message. Let's see what Jared has said so far. We're waiting. We got the text. Do you guys have anxiety? I'm like so anxious. It's like 5 more minutes. Oh my God, I'm gonna pee my pants. He's here. We're about to do a proposal, just a heads up. We're about to do a proposal, just a heads up, okay? Right. There's a proposal happening here in a second. Oh, I am so sorry. Do you see him? He's on the right? Okay.
Wildest dream.
Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Oh my God, hi. Greg's here too.
Oh, thank you so much. Good to see you too. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
I'm dreaming. I feel
It's not real.
I think the ring was upside down when I gave it to you.
Have you seen the box? It's upside down.
It was when I gave it to her, but
I know. There is no Harrison.
yeah, give me a call and let me know.
You are sorry to work. We should get there. No. Look at these splits. What are you doing? Thank you. Thank you so much. Congratulations. I know. That really some like,
I know,
I wanted friends who were close friends and not just some like only strangers, you know? Like,
It just looks so good.
It copied mom. Wait,
Sorry, you guys have the same one?
I didn't wear my
Yeah, okay, well, can I steal you for like 30 minutes?
Yeah,
to do
so
some
let me
pictures?
slowly take it all in. I can't believe you even like singer man. Who was playing breakup songs.
At 5:30 and Mom was like,
This we can't do. I was like, Mom, and then I was like, no, we really should.
That's why I've been trying to schedule wedding dress appointments all weekend.
They're here.
Mom's here.
yeah.
Stuff is just coming together.
Okay, how did you not see this coming?
Yeah.
I'm really just impressed that Jared, like, cause it's not that you're not a good actor, but like I can usually read the situation, but I couldn't until right here. And then he kept saying that line. He's like,
When
"I'm
did
not
you
your
know?"
husband yet."
Well, because
he said,
because her whole thing was that she had, when she came here with her family when she was a kid, she was walking through Central Park and she had this vision of like walking through Central Park with her husband at
"God,
sunset.
right now, because of
And
that."
that's why we're here.
That's why we need to get that photo walking through sunset.
And I said, well, I was
Alright,
like,
let's
well, the
get the
only
photo
problem
before
is I'm
sunset.
not your husband yet.
And then he said it like 2 more times, and I was like, "Why are we still saying this?" And I got it. All right, I'm gonna take photos, and Miranda can get on the live.
Wait, he's
I'm going too.
You made the cut?
Will you do the one with the where she froze to me?
Yes, let's do it. Okay, so, ring box.
You gave it to me? I shouldn't make that joke.
Some notebook action behind you.
Which
Okay,
is more
Like
flattering,
down to the
this? Ready?
And when I met her, I thought she was lovely.
that way.
And the
This
day of the
Yeah.
wedding, she was a little edgy and snapping at people. But when it came to her,
Can you like really turn around and then react, like Zoolander style? Okay.
whatever you think.
No, I think it's already open.
Okay, ready,
To her beyond her.
set, go.
I was like, man, even the tough ones.
Yeah.
Are like, hey, I just
Oh my God! And my mom's here?
Oh, that's epic.
How did you know?
Thank you. Thank you.
No more.
Give it to me.
You've gotten enough.
Go.
Are we doing this right?
I think so, yeah. We're going.
At any point, just give her a little twirl like a ballerina. Woo! Yep.
You keep going back in.
Remember, always touch him. Use both hands if you have to.
Always.
Yep. Always grab her butt or something. Something like you like her. Yeah.
Something like you like me.
Jared, you're doing great. You guys are actually really cute.
Good. Natural.
Naturals. Why do you want to marry her?
Oh, there's a birthday.
He's just saying olive juice.
Calling her, saying how pretty she is.
That's accurate.
Really good stuff.
Good.
I'll do one, like.
Yeah, Steph, show me the ring. Oh my God, I love that. And then I want you looking at him, but having your ring towards me. Yeah, like that.
I need a slow
Perfect.
rotation.
Go like this instead. Flip me off with it.
There you go.
Yeah.
So unflexible.
You have a stubby finger.
Ah, love that. That was cute. And Steph, you're gonna put your hands around his neck.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Oh, and stick that butt out, Steph. Stick
Pop
that
it.
butt. Yeah.